Would you like to see us record our winning trades for the day? I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com, and over the next few minutes I'm going to show you our winning trades for 7 futures markets. Let me explain to you what you're looking at. You're looking at the that's the EC. We first want to look at the ES. The ES is the S&P 500 futures contract. We're running a proprietary strategy on a case bar. You see, folks, there are a lot of different style of charts and a lot of different ways to trade beyond just candlesticks and red dog reversals and stochastics and MACDs and moving averages, which by the way, none of that stuff works. But this particular strategy we call the green tea strategy, not for green tea as in iced tea, but as in the forward tea. See, we also have the white tea and black tea that really denote being in the market for a greater period of time. On the green tea, most of our strategies are in and out intraday all day long, and we run the green tea strategy on our 7 green tea markets every day. We do this for futures, and we also do this for stocks. Let me show you, before I show you today's results, let me show you the back test as we proceed. The back test results for this particular strategy on the ES tell us that we should expect to earn approximately $20,500 over a 6-month period with a profit factor of 1.6 overall, 1.97 profit factor on the long side, and a 1.25. If you don't know what a profit factor is, boy, you really do need to join our team. By the way, our members belong month to month. We don't ask people to sign up for a year or a lifetime. We ask, just to join and stay with us as long as you're having fun and as long as you're making money. This particular strategy over the 6 months of trading the S&P, 660% profitable about 40% of the time. We'll scroll down. We're happy to show you the results, or the results, not just of the back test, the forward test, and the real test in the real trading. Maximum trade drawdown approximately $700. So what did it do today? Today, since midnight, January 3rd, 4 trades, $937.50. So what we'll do is we'll come here and we're going to record that. $937.50, and we're going to record 4 trades. Now we're going to go to the NQ. We come to the NQ, the green. Here's the performance, the backtest results for the previous 6 months with the strategy that we have and the settings that we have. We're to expect approximately $47,000. Let's look at the periodical returns. Today we had 24 trades, a little bit more than we'd like, and we lost. We lost $140. We'll come here, minus 140, and we had 24 trades. Now we can tweak our strategy if we're getting too few trades or too many. That's where the back testing results of a strategy really come into play. If your results are not modeling the strategy, maybe the strategy needs to be tweaked individually, and that's what we teach our members. Let's go back to the Russell. We go to the Russell Green Tea strategy, and we go to the performance report, and over the previous 6 months we would expect 16,000, and we won't go through all those results, but let's go right to the periodical returns. We had 8 trades today and we lost 55. Okay, so we don't win on every single market every single day, but let's record that. 55, 8 trades minus 55. But it's why we trade 7 markets, because generally if we can and we try to keep our losses small, there'll be a few markets that'll do very well, and you'll see over time. And we're going to continue to share this with everybody if you'd like to follow. Our members, of course, get much more detail, and our members are actually entitled to the very strategies that we trade. Let's go to the gold green tea strategy. The performance results, this is the equity curve over a 6-month period. Beautiful. And profit factor of 1.55, 1.67, 1.45, 39,000 over a 6-month period. Periodical returns, we had 13 trades today for 780. So help me remember that. 780, 13 trades. Let's go to our oil market. Oil is CL. Let's look at the performance report. 6 months, almost 25 grand. 1.62, 1.92. Performance graph, beautiful. Periodical, how did it do today? It did wonderful today. 1 trade for 1360. I love those days. 1360, 1 trade. Next, we're going to go to copper, and let's minimize and go to our copper green tea strategy. And copper 1.48 should do about 30,000. What did it do today? It had 9 trades and it lost 337.50. Minus 337.50. And how many trades did I say we had? I forget. Let's go back. 9. Let's come up and we record 9. We want to know, we're going to want to be able to track and compare what we're doing real time with our strategy. We minimize, we come to our 7th market, which is the euro. The euro over a 6-month period, 1.42. Isn't that beautiful? On both sides of the ball, 19,666. And the performance graph is beautiful. What did it do today? 7 trades, 650. We come here, 650, 7 trades. And there you have it, folks. For January 3rd, Wednesday, running our green tea strategy on these markets, utilizing case bars with these settings, we produced $3,195, a total of 66 trades. Folks, I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. We invite you to join our private club. Again, we're not interested in lifetime members. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We're about surrounding ourselves with like-minded people and teaching you how to trade these markets systematically. We have been doing this for over 15 years. Our systems are proprietary, developed by us. We have multiple strategies to run on stocks, ETFs, futures, particularly on the TradeStation platform. No affiliation with TradeStation. So we're going to do this for at least the next week, and if there's interest, we'll do it all year. So if you want to see what we do on Thursday and what we do on Friday and what we do next week before you put to risk your monthly membership of just $100. No, I don't. I say it facetiously. As folks will say, geez, $100 a month's a lot of money. Boy, I tell you, I've seen people lose much more than that, flinging stocks around and future contracts around. We're a resource people. We're a resource for our people and for our members. So feel free to follow us if you want to track and see how we're doing. Feel free to give us a call. Feel free to send us an email. And better yet, why not join for a month? We provide a video representation of the markets each and every night, and we even provide our what we call the swing machine for our intraday traders. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com.